Surviving a wild animal attack may seem like a scene out of a movie, but in the great outdoors, knowing what to do can save your life. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just exploring nature, these 10 survival tips could mean the difference between life and death. Tips number 1. The number one rule in any animal encounter is to stay calm. Panicking could provoke an animal to act aggressively. Breathe deeply and control your movements. Tip 2. Don't run, unless absolutely necessary. Most animals can run faster than humans, and running can trigger their chase instincts. Only run if you're sure you can escape. Otherwise, stay put and make yourself appear larger. Tip 3. Make noise. Before you even encounter wildlife, prevent attacks by making noise. Animals like bears, mountain lions, and even snakes prefer to avoid humans. Alert them to your presence by talking loudly, clapping, or using a whistle as you walk. Tip 4. Know the animal's behavior. Each animal has different behaviors. For instance, bears are more likely to bluff charge, while wolves may circle their prey. Knowing how different animals act can help you react accordingly. Tip 5. Protect yourself from a bear. If you encounter a bear, don't run. Stand your ground, slowly back away, and avoid direct eye contact. If a bear charges, lie flat on your stomach or curl into a ball, covering your neck. Use bear spray if you have it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with fellow adventurers. Stay safe and happy exploring.